Clearbrow, North Dallas. Just finishing up an Audi A6 2021 at our new location over here in Argyle still at 308 FM 1830 in Argyle. We got a 3,500 square foot location, brand new. Just finishing out the park over here. So it's all new, full wrap on this. And just to go over it, just all how we wrap all the edges in. This car looks fantastic. It's like nothing was even done. All the doors, all the way up under the moldings, into the door. If you're looking for a Clearbrow installation as if nothing is there, then we're your company for that. Nothing is hanging out on this car. Everything looks as if there's nothing on it. And that comes with a lot of dedication and time. So we don't have the cars for an incredible amount of time, but enough so we can make this job look like you're looking at. I mean, there's no marks in the film. Everything's wrapped in. So if you're looking for paint perfection with the film, there are some people out there that say it's not paint perfection film. There's a little bit of a gray area. We're talking about when there's problems with the paint, things that we can't correct, then that's why the film wouldn't go in perfect. You'd see those imperfections in it. But when the paint is perfect, like this Audi, you can't even see the film on that car. It's fantastic. I mean, this car looks as if nothing's on it. It's got a 5-year ceramic over it. It's slick. You rinse it and go. This Escalade, getting a full wrap over here. Again, paint's great on that product, believe it or not. We come over here, all these cars are full wraps. We come over, here's our new facility. We're still unpacking. You come over to these two vets, that's Mason. These two cars, fantastic paint from Bowling Green. Those will get full wraps, and I gotta tell you, very, very few issues with those. Believe it or not, we got a little Chevy Spark over here getting a full wrap. Now that paint has a couple little problems, maybe because it's more of an economical car. Chevrolet don't put their heart into it. But there's a little, some impressions in the film and some imperfections in the clear coat. A lot of it we fix, some of it just gets a little dangerous because of the depth of the paint. And then this guy here usually are pretty good as well. This is a full wrap on this Challenger in the Hell Raisin purple, I think they call it. Like a plum crazy purple, something like that. But pretty good paint on that. Sometimes a couple little issues, but when the film goes on, we make it as perfect as it's gonna be. So there you go, folks. Welcome to our new facility. I'll have a better video once I get it all straightened out and everything put away. But 308 FM 1830 Suite D and E in Argyle. And we're getting ready to let this one go. We let another one go earlier today, and then we got that Telluride over there just getting some sun. Tesla just now coming in to get a full wrap, and then that's our day. So clearbrownorthdallas.com if you need us, 940-703-8301. And just look for the doors that say Clearbrow North Dallas, and next to us is one of our subsidiaries, ceramiccoatingtexas.com. So feel free to let us know what you need, and we'll be here for you guys. Thank you, and take care.